Good job. Oop. Did you drip a little? You want me to get it? There. Here you go. Oh, another one? Here you go. Here you go. Ellie. Here. You weirdo. There you go. Can you use your spoon? Yeah? Oh, you're such a big girl. Good job. Yeah, we'll get that off later. Don't worry about it. Good girl. Hey, where's Chloe? Yeah? Is she waiting? Is she waiting for you to drop something? No, that's for Ellis. Yeah, that's for Ellis. No, don't give it to Coco. Is that good? What are you eating, Alice? What is that? Oatmeal? Are you sure? What are you eating? What are you eating? What is that? Is it yogurt? Yeah? Can you say yogurt? No. Can you use the spoon, please? Honey? Can you use your spoon? Thank you. Good job. No, you don't need to use your finger. Just use the spoon. Good girl. Can you say bye-bye? Good job. Oh, you're crazy. What are you doing? Are you being a goof? You're crazy.